Hey students, welcome back to my channel Simple AlChemy. Today we are going to discuss a new topic of pure substances. I'll tell you what are these substances and what are the effects of impurity on these things. First, subscribe to my channel and let's start the video. Pure versus impure substances. What is a pure substance? Have you ever wondered? A pure substance is like a VIP of the chemistry world. It's made up of just one kind of particle that has no extra stuff mixed with it. It can be a single element like oxygen or a compound like water. Water is a great example. Pure water melts at 0 degrees Celsius and it boils at 100 degrees Celsius every single time. That's how we know it's pure, which contains only water particles. How do we know a substance is pure? Here's the cool part. Pure substances have fixed melting and boiling points. Imagine you have a mystery substance. You heat it up and it melts exactly at 50 degrees Celsius and it boils at exactly 120 degrees Celsius. That's a clue. You can compare these numbers to a chart and figure out what it is. Is it a pure substance or not? But what about the impure substances? Now let's talk about impure substances, the ones with some other substance like salt, sugar, acid, base, or any kind of impurities mixed in. So if it has any other thing present in a substance, then it is considered as impure. A very good example of impure substance is the seawater. It is not just water, it has salt and other minerals mixed with it. When you heat it, the water evaporates but leaves white salt crystals behind. That's a proof that it wasn't pure. Melting and boiling points of impure substances. Now what happens to it? Impure substances do not melt or boil at the exact temperatures. Instead, they melt or boil over a range of temperatures. For example, seawater freezes below 0 degrees Celsius and boils above 100 degrees Celsius. That's because of the salt impurities present in a substance. So basically, if a substance is impure, then its melting point decreases from the original and its boiling point increases from the original. That's how we can identify. Now let's wrap it up. It's a summary time. Number 1, pure substances have fixed melting and boiling points. Number 2, impure substances is equal to they melt or boil over a range. Number 3, use melting, boiling points to test the purity of a substance. And number 4, impurities change melting and boiling points of a substance. Melting point decreases from the original and boiling point increases from the original value. Thank you so much for watching this video about pure substances. I hope you get it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask any question in the comment section. You will get reply as soon as possible. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss out any of your chemistry fun video. See you in the next video with more cool science and chemistry topics. Stay curious, stay chemical,